Hey guys. Today's topic is a doozy: crypto tax. What you need to know. I know, the mere mention of taxes might make some of you want to run for the hills, but trust me, this is crucial information for anyone dabbling in the crypto world. But before we dive in, let's get the formalities out of the way. Make sure you smash that like button, share this video with your crypto-loving squad, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss any of the juicy content I have lined up. Now, let's paint the picture. The cryptocurrency market has been a wild rollercoaster ride, with prices soaring to dizzying heights one day, only to come crashing down the next. It's enough to give even the most seasoned investors a serious case of whiplash. But amidst all this excitement and volatility, there's one aspect that often gets overlooked: taxes. Yes, my friends, the dreaded T word has reared its ugly head. But fear not, for I'm here to demystify the world of crypto taxes and make sure you don't end up on the wrong side of the IRS. And to help make your life easier, I'll be sharing some nifty crypto tax calculators that can take a lot of the guesswork out of the process. So, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how your crypto gains or losses are taxed? Or what the implications are when you use your digital assets to make purchases? It's a complex minefield, but one that's absolutely crucial to navigate if you want to stay on Uncle Sam's good side. Here's the deal: the IRS treats cryptocurrencies as property, not currency. Mind-blowing, right? That means every time you buy, sell, or even spend your crypto, it's considered a taxable event. No exceptions. Now, before you start hyperventilating, let me break it down for you step by step with a foolproof method that even a crypto newbie can follow. Let's say you bought one Bitcoin for $10,000 back in 2020. Flash forward to 2022, and you decide to cash out by selling that same Bitcoin for $30,000. Congratulations, you've just made a tidy capital gain of $20,000, the difference between your purchase price and sale price. Here's where it gets a little tricky. You'll need to report that $20,000 gain on your tax return and pay the appropriate capital gains tax rate, which could be anywhere from 0% to 37%, depending on your total taxable income for the year. But what if the situation was reversed, and you sold your Bitcoin for $5,000 instead of $30,000? Well, in that case, you'd actually have a capital loss of $5,000, which you can use to offset other capital gains or even a portion of your regular income. It's all about strategizing and minimizing your tax liability. And here's where those handy crypto tax calculators come into play. Tools like CoinTracker, Crypto Tax Calculator, or TokenTax can sync directly with your wallets and exchanges, automatically tracking your transactions and calculating your gains and losses for you. It's like having a personal crypto accountant at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. What about those times when you use your crypto to buy goods or services? Yep, that's a taxable event too. The IRS considers it a barter transaction, and you'll need to calculate the fair market value of the crypto at the time of the transaction and report it as either a capital gain or loss. For example, let's say you used 0.5 Bitcoin, worth $25,000 at the time, to buy a fancy new electric car. If you originally purchased that 0.5 Bitcoin for $15,000, you'd have a capital gain of $10,000 that you'd need to report on your taxes. I know, it's a lot to wrap your head around. But that's why those crypto tax calculators are such a game changer. They take care of all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to stress about missing something or making a costly mistake. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but what about all those crypto anarchists who preach about decentralization and sticking it to the man? Surely they're not paying taxes on their digital gold, right? Well, let me tell you a little cautionary tale. I had this friend, let's call him Crypto Carl, who thought he was too clever for the tax man. He didn't report a single Satoshi of his gains, thinking he'd fly under the radar. But little did he know, the IRS has been cracking down on crypto tax evasion with the fury of 1,000 suns. Long story short, Crypto Carl ended up with a hefty fine, some unwanted legal trouble, and a whole lot of regret. Trust me, friends, it's not worth the risk. So, do yourself a favor and stay on the right side of the law. Use tools like CoinTracker, Crypto Tax Calculator, or TokenTax to accurately report your crypto gains and losses. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a crypto-savvy tax advisor. It's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to the IRS. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had to deal with crypto taxes before? What tools or methods have you used to stay compliant? Share your stories, tips, and frustrations in the comments below. And remember, if you found this information valuable, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your crypto crew, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on any of my future updates and insights into the world of cryptocurrency and beyond. I'll be keeping a close eye on the ever-evolving crypto tax landscape, so stay tuned, and let's continue this conversation together. Until next time, my friends, stay crypto savvy, and don't forget, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to navigating the complex world of taxes. Before I let you go, I want to leave you with a few thought-provoking questions. Do you think the current crypto tax regulations are fair? How do you think they might evolve as digital assets become more mainstream? And most importantly, are you prepared to tackle your crypto taxes this year using tools like CoinTracker, Crypto Tax Calculator, or TokenTax? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me keep creating valuable content just like this. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride, friends. I'll catch you in the next one.